Listen up, every few decades a wave comes along that changes everything. First it was the personal computer, then the internet. Missed those? You became a footnote. Now, in 2025, we're at the edge of the next tsunami: artificial intelligence. This isn't sci-fi, it's real, it's here, and it's already transforming business. AI is the new electricity, the new internet. It's the utility that will power every successful business for the next 50 years. Ignoring it is like refusing a website in 1999. It's a death sentence. The ground is shifting under your feet whether you feel it or not. This isn't about being a tech company, it's about being a company that survives. The internet gave us information, social media gave us attention, AI gives us execution at scale. Imagine an army of strategists, copywriters, and analysts working for you 24/7 for pennies. AI automates the tedious 80% of your day, freeing you to focus on what matters. This isn't a trend, it's a fundamental restructuring of the global economy. Every industry, from coffee shops to Fortune 500s, will be transformed. Embrace AI and build an empire. Ignore it and you'll be telling stories about how you used to be in business. The choice is yours. Don't say I didn't warn you. Let's paint a picture. Sarah runs a jewelry store. She spends hours answering repetitive emails and struggling with social media posts. By noon, she's exhausted. No time for growth. Across the street, Ben runs a t-shirt shop. While he sleeps, an AI chatbot handles customer questions. AI drafts his social posts. By 9:30 a.m., he's planning new campaigns and analyzing sales. The difference? Leverage. Ben uses AI to automate the mundane and focus on what matters. Sarah is stuck in the weeds. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Ben's AI tools are his secret weapon, letting him compete with bigger businesses. The gap between the Bens and Sarahs is widening daily. It's not about money or team size, it's about using the right tools. Ben is faster, more creative, and more efficient because he embraced AI. Sarah is falling behind, not for lack of passion, but because she's fighting a modern war with old weapons. This is the reality in every market right now. The future belongs to those who leverage AI. Don't get left behind. Let's get practical. A freelance designer used to lose half her week to admin work. With AI-generated proposals and automated invoices, she freed up 10-15 hours weekly and grew her income by 40%. A restaurant owner dreaded social media. AI image generators and caption tools turned a 5-hour headache into a 30-minute task. Engagement and foot traffic soared. A construction contractor was drowning in paperwork. Now he speaks notes into his phone and AI formats them into reports and emails, saving an hour a day. These aren't billion-dollar companies, they're people like you. They didn't become tech wizards, they just found the biggest time sucks and used simple AI tools to fix them. The ROI? Insane. For a small monthly fee, they bought back their most valuable asset: time. With that time they made more money, grew their business, and got their lives back. AI isn't just for techies, it's a time and money machine for everyone. The only thing you need is the willingness to try. Identify your biggest bottleneck. Find an AI tool to solve it. The results can be life-changing. Don't wait for someday. Start now. What if you ignore AI? You start to bleed. First time, then energy, then opportunity. While you're slogging through tasks, your AI-powered competitor is testing campaigns, analyzing feedback, and reaching more customers, faster. You think you're saving money by skipping AI, but you're losing a fortune in missed efficiency. It's like running a race in work boots while everyone else has running shoes. In 2025, AI is the new running shoe. Refusing it is choosing to lose. The final stage, irrelevance. Your business becomes slow, expensive, and out of touch. Standing still is the most dangerous move in business today. The world doesn't wait. Let's crush a myth. You don't need to be a tech genius to use AI. Today's best AI tools are built for everyone. Small business owners, freelancers, anyone who wants to get things done. If you can order a pizza online, you can use AI. A baker in her 50s used an AI image tool to create stunning cake photos for Instagram. Her orders exploded. A freelance writer used AI to brainstorm article ideas and headlines, breaking through writer's block. AI didn't replace their skills, it amplified them. Modern AI is user-friendly. The complexity is hidden, you just see a simple interface. These companies want you to succeed, so they make it easy. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. You don't need a computer science degree, just curiosity and a willingness to try. The only barrier is getting started. AI is for everyone, right now. Take the leap. Enough talk. Here are 5 AI tools you can use today to save time and boost your business. 1. ChatGPT or Claude, your universal assistant for brainstorming, writing, summarizing, and planning. 2. Canva's Magic Studio. Instantly create professional visuals, remove backgrounds, and design presentations with a prompt. 3. Descript. Edit video and audio by editing text. Remove filler words, fix mistakes, and save hours on content creation. 4. Midjourney. Generate stunning, unique images by typing a description, perfect for standout visuals and branding. 5. Grammarly. Go beyond spell check. Ensure your writing is clear, professional, and on brand in everything you send. These tools are cheap, easy, and powerful. Start with one. Play with it. See what it can do. You don't need to master them all at once. The journey starts with a single step. Don't make excuses, just try. The right tool can change your business overnight. AI is your new competitive edge. The only thing stopping you is hesitation. Pick a tool, solve a problem, build momentum. The future is here. Start winning today. We're at a crossroads. The AI shift is as big as the internet or the printing press. Some adapt and thrive, others cling to the past and get left behind. The choice is being made right now, with every decision you make. For a tiny investment of time and money, you can unlock productivity and creativity once reserved for giants. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Pick one task that drains your time. Use AI to solve it. Get a small win. Build momentum. The fear you feel is just the friction of starting. Push through it. The confidence you'll gain is priceless. AI isn't a threat. It's your greatest leverage for growth. The game is changing. Learn the new rules or become a memory. The choice is yours. Go do something about it.